Along the River Kwai in western Thailand, the Metro Ply Group of Thailand has started up one of the most technically advanced MDF lines in the world. The group has two lines. The first line was delivered by Metso in 1994. The capacity is 110,000 cubic meters per year. The new line was started up in December 2000. The line is equipped with a new Custas press from Metso panel board. The installation time for this line is probably a world record.
From the day that we start installation of the machine and the day we make the first boards, actually 4 months and 17 days. And we consider that it's very fast. But of course, I want to emphasize that we achieved that because it's a good cooperation between our people, Metro Group, and engineering and teamwork and supervisor from Metso panel.
Have you decided how the production program is going to be split between the two lines?
Obviously, line number 1 is 23 meter long press, and line number 2 is 17. So it makes more sense to run the thicker board in line number 1 and thinner board in line number 2.
What raw material do you use?
We use rubber wood, logs as a major raw materials, and a little bit of eucalyptus logs. And I say that 90% of our production is rubber wood MDF and 10% is eucalyptus MDF. We have no intention to mix it at the moment, so customer can choose whether they want rubber wood or they want eucalyptus MDF.
Which thicknesses do you produce?
We are counting about 26 thicknesses, not to mention about sizes that make us offer a customer about 100 more items of our products.
What is the capacity of the new line?
The new line is now initially set up with 17 meter long press, but it has a possibility to extend another 12 meter long. Meanwhile, the front end capacity has been prepared for 20 to 23 tons per hour fiber. So basically we can expand a lot more to, let's say, 120,000 cubic meters per year.
The heat energy for the new line, comprising flue gas for the dryer and hot oil for the press, is produced in a 19 megawatt solid fuel energy plant. The wood chips are processed in an M54 defibrator. The fiber is dried in a flue gas heated dryer. The fiber raw material is conveyed through the efficient Z sifter, where latex residues from the rubber wood and other contaminants are separated. The fiber then flows to the dosing bin. A pendulum chute distributes the fiber into the dosing bin. The uniformer is an active former based on a concept introduced by Metso in 1998. The roller bed compacts the fiber mat. Combined with the mechanical treatment, this gives the mat high structural integrity. The speed of the rollers is independently controlled in pairs. Thus, the speed and consequently material flow can be fine-tuned for different fiber qualities. Another advantage of the uniformer is the fiber mat width adjustment. The width can be adjusted up to 600 millimeters or 2 feet, and without scalping the fiber mat.
This uniformer actually allows us to manipulate a lot more in terms of how we would like our mat to be, and the idea of no scalping give actually a potential of let's say reducing resin or even higher capacity the same resin dosing.
The pre-compressor is based on a multi-nip principle and a double belt concept. The long air removal section is equipped with vertical concertina sidewalls. The press section has 5 pairs of high linear pressure rolls with separate cylinder pressure control. This design allows a line speed of 90 meters per minute. The first Custas press revolutionized the panelboard industry when it was introduced in 1977. At that time, it was the first continuous panelboard press in the world. Our new generation frame-type continuous press is a new masterpiece. The press is designed for MDF, particle board and OSB. This machine offers high performance and reliability to MDF producers, and a challenge for our competitors.
I think the major development that I really personally love is actually the cluster press. Because if you have a chance to walk in and compare, and in our case it's a good example, to walk in to compare the old type of the cluster press and the new design, you see a very, very much improved in terms of accessibility, in terms of cleanliness, in terms of flexibilities and controls.
The press computer systems have distinct graphics. It's easy to gain a total overview of the entire process. The open frame design provides excellent service access. The oil headers are at a lower level. This prolongs the lifetime of the piping and reduces the risk of production disturbances. The hot oil is distributed into thin and flexible heating patterns. The press is designed to ensure excellent control of the production flow. More control points mean better control of through-panel density profile and of board thickness. The pressure applied to the panel is achieved using hydraulic cylinders. The hydraulic cylinders can be set individually within every group.